Hey everyone, welcome back to MS Extra Tech. In today's video, I will show you how to auto-save photos in Messenger. So, all your images are saved automatically. Please watch this video till the end and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. So let's get started. So friends, first open Messenger app on your mobile. Now select your friend and tap on it. Now tap on I button at the top right corner. Now scroll down. Select Auto Save Photos option and tap on it. Now tap on here to turn on Auto Save Photos in your Messenger. That's it. It's successfully done. So friends, if you found this video helpful, please like, comment, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video.